Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be talking about these. These are the new BK Beauty brushes. They were gifted to me. In the video today, you're going to see me use these brushes in a tutorial, but it is not about the tutorial, so I'm not going to, we're not going to talk about how I'm applying it and all of that. I just want you to see them in action and talk about it that way. I love these brushes. I've been using these for many years, along with the REPHR brushes. REPHR brushes are natural hair brushes. These are synthetic. They are made really, really well. And really quickly before we get in the video, one of the things that I love about it is that these brushes are a little bit shorter, okay, but they're meant to go inside the little travel case, BK Beauty travel case, which I should have brought in here. So just for example, like this is their size normally, and this, let me put these down. And this is the newer ones, okay? And really quickly, these are stick-on nails from Kiss that were gifted to me, okay? Sometimes I put the stick-on because I don't have time to do my nails, so some of you guys are going to ask about it. These are from Kiss. So anyways, we're going to get in the video. It's not going to be this look. It's going to be different. This is actually a new palette that I just purchased that you're going to see a look, creating 3 looks with these eyeshadows. In another video, might be the next video, I'm not sure. But anyways, let's get into the video. These are all of the BK Beauty brushes. I want to use them all in this video. I'm going to use all these brushes now. Even for my concealer, I'm going to use a brush. And I have this little thing here, so I kind of took some notes when I was watching Lisa's video. So I want to use, even a concealer brush today. You guys know what I usually do, but let's just, for shits and giggles, we're going to do this. So I'm actually going to use this one. This is the number 110 brush, okay? And it said for concealer, but for me, okay, here's the thing that I want to share with you too really quick, is that I sometimes will use brushes differently than what their intent is. For instance, the liner brush that I usually use for my concealer, that's for using to apply eyeliner, but I use it to apply my concealer, okay? So keep that in mind. Like this for me will be too big, but this, I am going to use this for setting my concealer today, okay? And this is a small version of the foundation brush, and I'm going to use this to apply my concealer. I have to be really careful with it, because remember, we got to keep it in that area. But we're going to do that. So we're going to do that first today. I'm going to be really careful and try to get as little as possible. This is why I like to use a liner brush. Just get a little bit there. And then I'm going to take this brush. Again, this is the number 109 brush. I love it. These brushes are so soft. There are some BK Beauty brushes and REPHR brushes that I keep in my filming room that I don't use as much. And then I have brushes that I use all the time that are in my bathroom. So that blended out really nicely, actually. So I'm going to use whatever's left on this brush just to get the rest of it. I really like that. Okay, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to take this brush and I'm going to, and again, this is the number 110 brush, 110? Yeah, the 110 brush. Okay. Alrighty then. Okay, so this is a dense brush that I kind of want to try this for foundation. I'm going to try it for foundation. Patrick Ta foundation. Let's try this. I know the other one I could use, it's just a lot smaller. Oh, look at that. This foundation is amazing. I freaking love this foundation. If you have dry skin, no. If you have oily skin or normal skin, possibly combination skin, yes. Oh, this is nice. This is really nice. This feels so nice. Powder brush. I kind of want to use this. So I know I just used it for foundation. I'm just going to wipe it off. And let's use it for my powder too. And this is my Estee Lauder Double Wear powder. I love this. Now the Patrick Ta does come with a powder, but It's a finishing powder, so I don't know why they put a finishing powder in there, but that's what it said. It says it's a finishing powder. Think about that like when you're going on a trip or something and you bring a brush like this. I feel like you can use this for a couple different things. If you have a cream foundation, you could use it. Then you can wipe it off and go in and use it for your powder. I'm actually, because I'm looking at what I have here, I have other BK brushes I can use, but I want to use this for as much as I can, okay? So let's go in and use this for a bronzer. I'm going to go in here and use it with my Sicily bronzer. This is like a nice brush that you can use for a lot of different things. Now, right now, until I believe January, you can only purchase these brushes as a set, okay? And that's how I initially, when they first launched, that's what I did. I purchased the bundle set is what I did. Maybe there was a couple bundle, maybe there was like an eye set and a face. I bought it all, okay, when they first launched. And then over the years, they've been really kind to me and have gifted me the products, which I really appreciate it. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to use the same brush again because I feel like I need a fluffy brush to do my blush. So I'm going to go in with this same brush. I'm just wiping it off. And this is, I love this. This is from Sicily. I know when you see the price, but this is actually kind of like a bronzer and a blush together kind of a thing. I was going to get another one of these, and one of my subscribers said she saw the other color in person, and I think she said she returned it because there was no color payoff, and I was like, really? Oh no, we don't want that. So I'm just going to stick with this. I love it. I like that you can kind of build it up, and I swear to you, I said this before, look at. I've used this all the time. Looks like I haven't used it. Love it. Okay, so I love that brush. Now let's use a highlighter. So we're going to use this one, and I really don't need a highlighter, honestly, because that has a little bit of highlighter in it. But let's glow it up a little bit more so you can kind of see. But let's glow it up a little bit more because I'm going to use this. So this is the number 112, I believe. Yes. So this is the number 112. And I'm going to use this for highlighter. I wonder if I should dust it on. Oh, there we go. Oh, God, I love this. This is from Laura Mercier. This is that Rose Glow. I keep saying this. Her highlighters are so pretty, but I swear I don't hear a lot of people talk about them. They're so pretty. And I don't want to hear that mature women can't wear highlighter. Yes, you can. So if you're not comfortable wearing it, I get that, but don't say that mature women in general can't wear it. That's just BS. We've got all these, we have these brushes left. I don't know what I'm going to use this one for today. Let me see what it says on here. This is brush number, this is the number 113, and this one says you can use for cream blushes. And so I could have even used this to apply my foundation, but I like to use something a little bit fluffier. So I'll have to use this in another video. But I could use this. This will be really nice with my Danielle Sandler blushes that are liquid. You could use liquids with it, cream. So you'll see me use this in another video. Let's get into the eye look, and I'm going to use all of these brushes. Let's start out with this one. This one is the number 212. Look how nice and fluffy that is. So I like to use a fluffy brush like this to apply my transition color. And I'm going to go in today and I'm going to use the Body Heat palette from Tom Ford. This is one of the few things from him that I like. I'm going to do one eye, and then off camera I'll do the other eye, okay? I want to share something really, really quickly with you. I'm going to go in with this color right here. So a couple times I've had people say to me, I can't believe that you support him because he said some, I guess he's talked shit about women my age or something like that, which I personally have not heard. I haven't actually seen him say it. I haven't seen him actually say it. I've just heard people talk, okay? This is like a video for a whole other video. But I just want to mention it because I'm using this and I feel like somebody might say something. You know what? We're going to do both eyes. I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye. The problem with that is this. I have not seen him actually say that. I've just heard people say that. But I've also heard people talk that Charlotte Tilbury isn't a very nice person. Okay? I've heard that the woman that owns Milk Makeup, she's not a very nice person. If I stop purchasing stuff from everybody that somebody said they said this or that, I wouldn't buy stuff. And I know that I even have, like, there's some people that I won't support, okay? But I don't tell other people not to do it. And I guess until it really affects me personally in some way, I'm going to get what I like. If you go down that rabbit hole, I'm telling you, you could be like that with so many people, and I just can't go there. Okay, so this is the number 209. 209, okay? And on here it says it's a mini shader for the inner corner, packing shadow. We're going to use this for packing shadow first, because I am going to go ahead and I'm going to go in with this color and actually this color. I'm going to mix those two. And I'm going to put this on my outer corner. And let me tell you something about this. This really packs color. Because when I used this, I was like, holy cow. I love this brush because, like, look at that. Look at how much color, because this brush is so, I don't know if dense is the right word, that it just picks up so much more color. It's wonderful. I love that brush. That is a nice addition. Love that. So now I'm just going to go over it with that same first brush, and I'm just blending that. But look at that on the outer corner. Love it. Yes, this palette is really, really nice. But I cannot go down that rabbit hole because I'm telling you, if you start doing that, some people don't shop at, Hobby Lobby because of whatever, or Michael's because of this, or Target because of that. And it's like, I mean, I understand if you don't want to do it, that's up to you, but I just won't go down there unless I actually hear something. It's all been hearsay. I haven't actually seen them say it. I just hear people say that. It's like a rumor, but I need to actually see it. So if he said something to my face, maybe I'd feel a little bit differently, Or if he said something racially or something and I actually saw him say something, I would definitely have a problem with it. There's people that I don't support because of that, but I can't go down that rabbit hole, you guys. I can't. I'm going to take that same brush. I just want to wipe it off. And actually going to use this on my lid so I can get more of that shimmery color. And I'm going to use it in my inner corner too, which you can totally do. So I'm going to bring this out here. Now I want to go in with this brush. Now I have these two brushes. I don't know if I need to use this one today. This is the number 210 brush, which is similar to one of their other brushes. So you can see they're the same type of brush, but this one's a lot smaller and compact. I'm actually going to use this instead of the smudger brush that I normally use. I'm going to use this. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. And I'm going to go right on my lower lash line. That's really nice. I love their brushes. They're made really, really well. They're soft. They clean really well. But I love these brushes. These brushes are available now in bundles. And if you don't want to get the bundle, then you can wait. I believe in January they'll be available separately. Love their brushes. Like I said, I love their brushes. Yeah. Definitely recommend. And I love the fact that you can put it in the little travel case. So like there's room in there for that. I just love all the thought that's put out with their brushes. I love how well they're made. I love their message behind the brand. I just really am proud of Lisa. I've been following her for a long time, and I've just to see her grow from her her blog to her channel to this is just, it's exciting to see, and I'm really, really proud of her. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if you purchased any, what your favorite brush is. Let me know in the comments below, and I will catch you guys all in my next video. Bye.